What's up YouTube? It's Mitch, and today we're going to do a simple hood strut install on the Corvette. My Corvette is a 2008, and one of the common things on these cars is the hoods, they like to not be able to stay up, and that's just a faulty hood strut. I got these guys for 13 bucks off Amazon for a set of 2. I figured I'd give them a try as they're only 13 bucks. So I will link that in the description below if you want to try them out, and I will install them. So here's how it goes. Alrighty guys, so the first step is you're going to go right here and you're going to take your screwdriver and you're going to push it underneath here. It's probably easier to come from this side, but for the camera's sake, we're going to go from this side. Push it underneath and pry it underneath and pull, and it will give you enough leverage, and this thing should just pop right off. So let's see if we can get it under there for the camera. And it comes right off just like that. This is the other end of the hood strut. If you just follow from one side to the other, you'll find this end right here. That little metal tab, let me get in a little closer. Metal tab right there. That tab is basically the same as the first side. So if you put your screwdriver underneath there and pull, it'll give you a little distance to pop it right off. So, I already put the first side on just to show you. This side, you don't want to just push these on. You want to put your screwdriver in there and you want to pull it away from it just a little bit. Sometimes you're going to have to pull the hood up to get it on there. But if you pull that away, then it should just slide right on and lock on there. That way it goes nowhere. So when you're taking these off, you just put your screwdriver in here and pull the metal and pull it off. And then when you're putting them on, you want to get under there, pull the metal back, and then put it right back on. Alright YouTube, and that is a quick way to easily install hood struts. It does not take that long. It probably took me about 10 seconds per side. And like I said, these guys were $13 on Amazon. So 13 bucks, it's worth testing them out. If they stop working in a month, oh well, I'll just get nicer ones. But for 13 bucks to replace these old ones that don't work at all, it's not a bad deal. So yeah, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. I got new videos coming. We're going to do a headlight install, and I got taillights coming from Vette Lights. So super excited about those. So stay tuned to give me a follow because we got more parts going on the car.